In this video, we'll have a look at how to place legends in different positions on our plot. First of all, if you are not comfortable with the PLT subplots function and what fig and x means, please watch that video first and then come back to this one. What I did here is I created a graph with 3 different lines in it. We'll just have a look at it real quick. And now we want to add a legend. So what we're going to do, type in legend, and there it is. Now we want to put it on different locations. As you can see, it is in the left center corner, and the default is best option. That means it has the minimal overlap with all the graphs inside of your axes. So we can switch that with lock and then type in, for example, center, which doesn't make too much sense here. Let's try upper center. Not that one. Or we can also do lower center. You get the idea. So if we want to place the legend outside of our plot, so outside of this area, we can use fig legend. And as you can see, now it is outside. So it places the center of the legend outside. So lower center here doesn't really make sense. We'll take the right one. This is a little bit better. Let's put it in upper right. And now we have it in our upper right position. What we see is that it is a little close and it's overlapping with the graph itself. So what we're going to do, we use border axis padding, and use 0. So now you can see the distance from the outer padding is 0. You could also put that in, let's say 0.5. Now it's the same. So we take 2.5. And I think this looks nice. If you want to have even more control on where your label is, please go to the video about the bbox to anchor function. I hope this helped. See you next time.